Hey guys, Derek here with the Closet Doctor. Going to be about 105 today, and we are on a monster garage install. This is going to be a 3-day install. Let me show you some of the stuff we're doing and what we had to do just to get to the start of the job. So just to back up here, 90-degree corner off of the street, came up here. Pretty steep, but not too bad. I was a little worried we were going to drag, but we had plenty of clearance. Came up and then had to turn 90 degrees through here and then angled the trailer back there. Probably could have got it right next to the garage, but no use being greedy. We got it nice and close and still room for everybody to walk through. So we were supposed to come in February, and now it's July, and we're still probably a little bit early on doing this. They haven't finalized the house yet, but so we're doing cabinets on this wall, both sides here, cut out for the fire drain here, safe cabinet here, big workbench under there, and all of this, and then that garage as well. And naturally, the first cabinet of the day, Michael, we just laid it out, and we had to drill a bunch of holes. We're going to hang it on the wall and get started right here. We got lots of fun stuff. On this wall, we're going to almost 12 feet high. So we got 8-foot tall cabinets, going to stack 3-footers on top of that. Here we go. Well, it hasn't been as one-piece flow as we like it here at the Closet Doctor, but we got this wall here. We got our 8-foot tall cabinets, our 40-inch tall cabinets on top of it. We're putting doors in, do the nice trim rings around the plugs. This guy here, we've got all up. We're just gonna put doors on. We cut out, we don't do this a lot, but this situation was unique. We cut out for the fire sprinkler access, and the door is gonna fit right over that opening that we put in. We put in the door for that spacing. So finishing up here, gonna look good. And we still got another whole garage to do here. Okay, we're finishing up day one. We would have had this all done, but we didn't bring our saw to cut our countertop, and we're a few inches long on it. So we're gonna cut that tomorrow, and this stuff will be all finished. And then we just gotta adjust our doors on this, but not bad for day's work. We got here at 8:30, and we're gonna be out of here at 3:30. We're loading up right now, and not a bad day for day one.